Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Recette Maroc. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to prepare apple cream cheese turnovers. You will need 2 diced apples, a quarter of a cup of sugar, 100 milliliters of water, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 250 grams of cream cheese, 1 egg yolk, and 450 grams of puff pastry. Combine together 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water. Mix well with a spoon and leave aside. In a small frying pan, add in the apples, water, lemon juice, cinnamon, as well as 2 tablespoons of sugar. Keep the remaining sugar for later. Mix well and let cook on medium heat for about 8 minutes until the apples are tender. Once the apples are tender, add in the cornstarch mixture and mix for 1 minute. Remove from the heat and leave aside. In a large bowl, beat together the cream cheese, egg yolk, and the remaining sugar until you reach a creamy consistency. On a floured surface, spread out the puff pastry sheet to form a large square, as wide as a sheet of paper. Cut the sheet into 8 equal parts. I used 2 separate puff pastry sheets, so I cut each one in 4 equal parts. Spread out diagonally 1 tablespoon of the cream cheese filling and add on top 1 tablespoon of the apple filling. Brush the edges with an egg wash, 1 beaten egg with 2 teaspoons of water. Fold the edges towards the middle so that both ends touch. Brush each turnover with the egg wash and place them on a cooking tray lined with parchment paper. Cook in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until the pastry begins to swell and becomes a golden color. I hope you enjoy this delicious treat. Don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends. You could also subscribe to the channel for more recipe ideas.